A point of inflection is a let's do this. There's one more important topic relating to second derivatives, and that's points of inflection. A point of inflection is a point on a function f of x where f of x is continuous and changes concavity. It's a point like this one. In other words, a point of inflection occurs when f of x changes from concave upward to concave downward, or concave downward to concave upward. This also means that f double prime of x is changing from either positive to negative or negative to positive like it is here. One thing to remember is that the second derivative, f double prime of x, will typically be equal to 0 at points of inflection. Okay, so here's a summary of where points of inflection occur. It occurs when either f of x changes from concave upward to concave downward, or f of x changes from concave downward to concave upward. It also occurs when f double prime of x, the second derivative, changes from positive to negative, or the second derivative changes from negative to positive. So something important to note about this is that these two are connected and these two are connected, because these things are going to happen at the same time. Because when the second derivative is positive, it's going to be concave up, and when the second derivative is negative, it's going to be concave down, which means when this changes, this is also going to change. It's going to change at exactly the same time. Same with these two. You can think of it as December changing to January. You're changing months, but you're also changing years. They're two different things, but they're changing at the same time. The only difference is between this and the analogy is that every time the sign of the second derivative changes, the concavity of the function will also change